As a content creator, you're always looking for new and exciting ways to engage your audience, but we all have those days. How about using Chat GPT? It has a powerful language generation capabilities. You can use Chat GPT to create unique and engaging content that will keep your viewers coming back for more. Let me show you how. Now, I know that many of you don't have a YouTube channel because you don't have a good camera or you're too shy. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make videos without using any of those. In today's digital age, content creation is more important than ever before. From bloggers to YouTubers to social media influencers, even companies, everyone is striving to create engaging and unique content that will capture their audience's attention. You can make money by making simple short videos on YouTube, and there are a lot of channels who make thousands of dollars doing simple editing and copying and pasting what ChatGPT gives them. This video has 3 parts to help you understand better. First, the content, second, the visuals, third, SEO optimization. You can start them right now and it's free. All you need is a couple skills. Part 1. ChatGPT will provide you with a variety of responses that can help you spark your creativity. For example, if you're a beauty blogger and you're stuck on what makeup tutorial to create next, you can ask ChatGPT for ideas like, what are some unique makeup looks for the summer? Or what are some popular makeup trends for the fall? But for now, let's just focus on shorts. Now, first there are simple steps. Number 1, create a YouTube channel if you haven't already. Number 2, use the shorts camera and creation tools to record, edit, and add music, filters, text, and other effects to your videos. Number 3, create engaging content such as tutorials, comedy skits, behind-the-scenes videos, or any other creative videos you have. Number 4, promote your shorts on your social media channels and collaborate with other creators to cross-promote each other's content. Number 5, monitor your performance metrics such as views, likes, and comments to see what's working and what's not. Now for part number 3, use GPT to get the entire content. Like for example, facts channel, just ask 3 facts about, let's say, women, and it'll give you that in a matter of moments. You have the content, just copy and paste it somewhere, and now let's go to the video part. Part 2. We don't want to spend too much money on apps and pieces of software to create videos. Luckily, we have Canva. It is free for the most part and it's enough to make a decent video. Also, it's very easy to use. Let me show you how. Number 1, log into your Canva account or create a new one if you don't have one. To use Canva, you must sign up for a free account or connect in with an existing account. Simply go to the Canva website and click on the sign up button to create a new account. Well, that's simple. Number 2, click on create a design and select video from the options. Number 3, choose the short video option, which is specifically designed for creating vertical or portrait videos like shorts. Now, Canva's short video option is designed specifically for creating videos in a vertical or portrait format, which is the ideal format for YouTube Shorts. This option provides users with templates, design elements, and editing tools that are optimized for creating visually appealing and engaging short videos. Select a template that fits your content or choose to start from scratch. When selecting a template for your YouTube Shorts, you can choose from a variety of pre-made designs that fit different themes, styles, and purposes. For example, if you're creating 3 facts content video, you might want to look for a template that has a simple and clean design with space for text and images. Number 5. Also, you can choose to start from scratch and create your own custom design using Canva's design elements and editing tools. This option gives you more flexibility and creative control over your video and allows you to customize it to fit your specific content and style. Just make sure to keep your content engaging and visually appealing to catch the attention of your viewers. Use a clear and concise message and consider adding animation, graphics, and music to your video to make it more dynamic and memorable. Number 6. Customize your video by adding text, images, shapes, or any other design elements that fit your content. Well, get creative. Canva's video editing tools provide users with a wide range of design elements and editing options to create engaging and visually appealing YouTube Shorts. Here are some tips for customizing your video and making it stand out. Use eye-catching text. Add text overlays or captions that highlight the key points of your content. Choose fonts that are easy to read and align with the style of your video. Add images or video footage. Use high-quality images or video footage that complement your content and add visual interest. Canva has a library of free and paid stock images and videos that you can use to enhance your video. Experiment with color. Use color to create contrast and make your content stand out. Try using a color palette that aligns with your brand or content theme. Use music or sound effects to create a mood or add emphasis to your video. Canva provides a range of free music tracks and sound effects that you can use to enhance your video. Number 7. Preview your video to make sure everything looks good. Number 8. Once you're happy with your video, download it as an MP4 file. Number 10. Upload the video to your YouTube channel and select the Shorts option when prompted. Number 10. Add any relevant hashtags or descriptions to make your shorts more discoverable. Now, the last one is a bit tricky. How do you get the hashtags so that it can reach the most people? Part 3. Hashtags are an important tool for optimizing YouTube Shorts for discovery and engagement. They allow your content to be easily discoverable by users who are searching for specific topics or keywords. In this article, we'll explore some ways to discover relevant hashtags for your YouTube Shorts and how to use them effectively. Use YouTube's hashtag search. One of the easiest ways to discover relevant hashtags for your YouTube Shorts is to use YouTube's hashtag search feature. This feature allows you to search for hashtags related to your content or niche and see how many videos are using that hashtag. To use this feature, simply type in a keyword or phrase related to your content in the search bar and add the # before the keyword. YouTube will suggest relevant hashtags that you can use in your video description or title. For example, if you're creating a YouTube short about vegan recipes, you might search for hashtags like #vegan-recipes or #plant-based. Research popular hashtags. Another way to discover relevant hashtags for your YouTube Shorts is to research popular hashtags on social media like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Looking for hashtags that are frequently used by your target audience and include them in your video description or title. For example, if you're creating a YouTube short about fitness, you might search for hashtags like fitness motivation, workout, or fit life. Aim for a few targeted hashtags that will help your video reach the right audience. Place hashtags strategically in the video description or title. You can include hashtags in the first line of your description or at the end of your description. You can also include hashtags in your video title, but be careful not to overdo it. Use branded hashtags. Consider creating a branded hashtag for your YouTube Shorts. This can help users identify your content and make it easier for you to track engagement. Make sure the branded hashtag is unique and easy to remember. Analyze hashtag performance. Monitor the performance of your hashtags to see which ones are driving the most engagement and reach. You can use YouTube Analytics to track hashtag performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. So, there you have it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Have a good day.